Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to start with a new question, that is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So we have to find what is the solution. By using trigonometric formulas, trigonometric ratios, we will solve this question. So firstly, you know that tan can be written in the form of sin by cos, sin theta by cos theta, and next secant theta. Secant can be written in the form of 1 by cos and brackets as it is 1 plus cot theta can be written in the form of cos by sin, cos theta by sin theta, and this cosecant can be written in the form of 1 by sin. So 1 by sin we will write here. Now we're gonna take LCM. So we have cos here, sin here, sin here. So we have to cos multiply, so that we need to make here cos. So cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos in the denominator as it is, and then 1 plus 1. We don't write 1, so we are taking here LCM. So sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Now we need to make here an identity, guys. By making an identity of an algebraic expression, we can solve it more easily. So this can be written in the form of A, B, and this is A and this is B. So we can write, guys, cos plus sin or sin plus cos. So we can make change here as again as cos theta plus sin theta. We can write anyhow, guys. It's not like mandatory to write sin plus cos or cos plus sin. I am making it similar that this term and this term get similar. Now after this we have a formula of algebraic expression, as the algebraic expression of formula is given here as a plus b and a minus b. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we will write it cos theta a square minus b square, guys, by these two are in now multiplication, cos theta sin theta. Now this can be written in the form of a plus b whole square, right, guys? A plus b whole square is written in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now we will write here cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2ab. So 2 cos theta sin theta. Then we write here cos theta sin theta. Now I am erasing this part. Erasing this part. After that we have written this. This becomes an identity of trigonometry, that is sin cos square plus sin square or sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So now I have written I have missed this term minus 1, so I am writing here minus 1. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta becomes 1. I will write here as identity here as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now this is written as 1, and this can be written as minus cos theta sin theta minus 1 this, and now I will write it denominator as same, cos theta sin theta. Now we this both get subtracted and we get minus 2. How do we get minus? We get plus here. So it is a square plus b square. So a square plus b square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we get here plus, we don't get here minus. So cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta. So this cos and this cos gets cancelled, this cos and this sign gets cancelled. Now we get the answer as 2. So we have solved this question and that's how it's easy to solve when you use trigonometric identities and algebraic expressions. And if you like the video, do like the video and share the video and do comment below. And I have seen many of you guys are just watching the video, visiting the video, and you haven't even subscribed to the channel. Please do hit the subscribe button and press the notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thanks for watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye.